Hi everybody, it's Chef Cheryl and welcome to Kitchen ABCs. Thank you to Runza for supporting our program. It's starting to get so nice out and I need to cool off. So I thought I would make a popsicle. But you know what? There are some very healthy popsicles and very delicious ones. They are called paletas. Paletas is a Spanish word. They were started in Mexico. Now, I wonder what flavor I could make. You know what? I have a place we can go to find more about paletas. Come on a field trip with me. Here we are at Mexico. Hello! I'm so excited. This is a paletería. And we're going to find out how they make paletas. I'm so excited. Let's go! And I have the owners here. I have Jesus and Crystal. And they're going to tell us a little bit about their shop and about how they make paletas. And you make your own ice cream and paletas.
Yes, everything's made fresh and hot.
Can you tell me what you put into your paletas?
Okay, las paletas solamente las hacemos a base de azúcar y de fruta.
So the paletas are made all natural, using fruit and just water, sugar, special mixture that they make to make the paleta. No artificial flavorings are used.
Oh, look at all of these. I want one of each. This one has guava. That would be interesting. What are some of the most popular flavors?
Pues tenemos el mango chamoy,
We have the mango chamoy,
pepino con chile,
the cucumber with chili. The helados are like the milk base, so the ice cream ones, and then we have the nieve, which is
a base de fruta.
like the sorbets. So it's all fresh fruit and like water based.
Thank you. So many things to test out. I can't wait to come back again. Oh, now that we're back, I have so many ideas. Now I'm going to show you one of the ideas, but then you can come up with your own paletas. I thought we would make strawberry paletas today. You will need about 3 cups of strawberries. Now make sure you wash them and rinse them off, and pull them is what we call it. We're going to slice off the top just like that. And if they're really big, you can cut them in half. We're going to put about half of these in our blender. Then we're going to do a milk-based one. So we're going to use a half a cup of milk. Now, if you want to do water or juice-based ones, you can put the same amount of water or juice in there. Now we need something sweet. So I have about a 1/4 cup of honey. Now you can add sugar and water instead. You could even use syrup. Or if you don't want to have anything sweet, you could just have the natural flavors. You can use lemon juice, or we have key lime juice here. Or you can even juice a key lime. We're gonna add about a teaspoon of lemon juice. Now we're going to add a tiny bit of salt. Probably think, why are we putting put salt in something so sweet? Salt brings out the flavor of sweet. So now we're going to blend this up. It's all blended up. When we put the rest of our strawberries in, we're only going to give it a couple pulses because we want it to have some strawberry lumps in there. Okay, so now we have some chunks in there. Put that in something easy to pour. Now, if you have molds, ice pop molds. You can use that. If you don't, you can use little cups. So I have these cute little cups here. Whoops. And sometimes you spill. It's okay. So don't fill them quite up to the top. Leave about ½ an inch or so because it will expand as it freezes. Now, if you put those in the freezer for about an hour and then you put a stick in or a spoon, but if you put them in right now, they'll just fall to the side. But if you wait about an hour, they will stick straight up. So we'll put them in the freezer and find out what happens. After about 4 hours or so, they are totally frozen. And what you do is you run them under warm water for just a couple seconds. There we go. Okay. Now look at that. My strawberry paleta. Now, I have been busy and making a whole bunch of these. So I want to show you what my ideas were. This time, I used the regular ice pop molds. For these are the same ones as we just made in the little cups. These have the strawberry and milk base. This one is water base, and I put watermelon and kiwi in it. Can't wait to try those. And this one, I used pineapple, fresh pineapple with a little bit of strawberry. So look at my ingredients over here. So pineapple, and I had my strawberries, and I have watermelon. This is a kiwi you can peel and cut up. Since the weather's warmer, I hope you have fun coming up with your new ideas for making paletas. See you next time. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe so you can find out what we're doing next week. Bye.